Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Hi friends! Today we're drawing and coloring a cute glitter shark. So grab your pencils and colors and let's get started. First, I draw the nasal openings and mouth. Then I draw the pectoral fin, tail, and dorsal fin. Next, I draw the eye, nose, teeth, gills, and the side of the face. Now it's time to color. First, I use black for the inside of the eye. Then, I use gray for the outside of the eye. I also use gray for the face and the teeth area. Finally, I use light blue for all the body parts to make our shark shine. That's it. Our cute glitter shark is ready to swim in the ocean. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art. Bye.